Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to prepare very special Andhra breakfast, dibba roti. It's very easy and healthy breakfast. Let's have a look into the ingredients. We require 1 cup of urad dal, 2 cups of idli rava, red chilies, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, urad dal, garlic cloves, curry leaves, cilantro and tomatoes. Let's begin the process. Take 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cups of idli rava. Rinse them well with the water and soak them separately for about 5 to 6 hours. Transfer the soaked urad dal into the blender and blend it to make a soft fluffy batter. Now add the squeezed idli rava into this urad dal batter and mix it well. This is how it looks now. The consistency of the batter should be thick. Now add some salt to the batter and mix it well. Now it's time to add the tempering to the batter. Take a pan and add some oil into it. After oil gets heated, add mustard seeds, urad dal, cumin seeds, curry leaves and red chilies. Salt them well and switch off the stove and add these tempering into the batter. After adding the tempering, mix the batter well. Now place a kadai or pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into it. After oil gets heated, add 3 large ladles of batter into the kadai. Spread the batter with the spatula. Let it cook on a low flame till its base turns into golden yellow color. Now flip the roti and cook the other side also. Now the tasty and healthy dibba roti is ready. You can serve this with any chutney or pickle, but here we are serving this with tomato and coriander chutney. So let's make our tomato and coriander chutney. For this we require tomatoes, cilantro, hing, garlic, red chilies and cumin seeds. Now take a pan and add oil into it. After oil gets heated, add cumin seeds and red chilies. After cumin seeds begin to splutter, add these into the blender. Now add the tomatoes into the pan. Now add the raw garlic cloves into the blender. Add some fresh cilantro leaves into the pan and saute them well. Cook them on a low flame until the tomato gets cooked. After tomato gets cooked, transfer these ingredients into the blender. Allow it to cool for some time and add some salt and blend it to form a paste. Transfer the chutney into the serving bowl. Let's start the tempering for the chutney. Add some oil into the pan and after oil gets heated, add mustard seeds, urad dal, cumin seeds, red chilies and curry leaves. After tempering is ready, turn off the stove and transfer this tempering into the chutney. Now the delicious tomato coriander chutney is ready to serve. Now the tasty and delicious dibba roti and tomato coriander chutney is ready to serve. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.